Hey guys, this is your girl Tavia. Welcome back to my channel, and I want to apologize if you guys can hear that chainsaw in the background. Me and my husband is having some trees cut down in our yard. We're afraid that if a storm comes, they will hit the house. So if you hear that noise, just what it is. So we're about to do a full face of drugstore makeup featuring all of these beautiful products. Okay, but the main attraction is going to be this $3 nude LA Girl palette, and I found this at my local Dollar General for $3. So we're gonna use this, and this is how I came out with this look. So if you guys stay tuned, you can see how I got this look, and then you can see how these products perform. This is my first time using this product as well, so you're gonna definitely want to make sure you stick around to the end of the video to get my thoughts on these products, because some of the ingredients in these products are a little controversial, so make sure you watch to the end. All right, you guys, let's get into it. Okay guys, so the first product we're going to start with is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. This is about to be my third time using this product, and each time before I did not care for this product at all. So I did some really good skincare last night, so it's not gonna be me saying, oh well, it might be my skin, because this junk shows like texture. I'm over it. Okay, so some of the products that I use cannot be drugstore, because I don't have a drugstore equivalent. Alright you guys, as you saw from the thumbnail and then also the intro, I'm going to be using this LA Colors nude eyeshadow palette, and this eyeshadow palette was $3 at my local Dollar General, and it's gorgeous. They had a nude one and they had a rose one, so but I chose the nude one. If this one works well, I'm gonna go back and get that rose one. Okay guys, it comes with a little applicator brush that we're gonna trash this. I don't use those. But these are the colors in it. It's amazing. It's got some beautiful matte colors in here. Oh, I didn't know it also has, this is a highlighter, and then this is a highlighter, and then they have these right here said these is the lid section, and that these are creases, and then these are crease colors. So I didn't even realize that. This is a highlighter, this is a highlighter. These two say creases, this is lid, this is crease. So I'm gonna try to do what it say do. Let's get us a nice crease color. There's no, I'm gonna go with this one. There's no color shade names on here or anything. flat shader brush with some 6 plus on it. I'm gonna go in this lid color here. It's a shimmer shade. My camera wants to focus where it wants to focus. Oh wow, look at that. I mean, do y'all see these colors? Like, this was $3. I'm shook. Like, oh my goodness. You guys see that pigment? You see that color? Like, I don't even freaking believe it. So I'm gonna take this other color. It's labeled for the crease, but we're gonna take it into the outer portion of the eyes. I'm gonna go in with the same brush that I took before with the lighter color. So I'm going to go in with this lighter shade here. It says it's for the lid, if it will focus. I'm going to take that up here, and I'm going to also take it down here so it doesn't be too harsh. Look at this, like, I am like shook. Look at this pigment, like, oh wow, freaking amazed, freaking amazed. Okay guys, I just concealed with the Dragon Beauty concealer some just under my eyes. But now I'm about to go in with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. It's in the shade Classic Tan. And this is what I'm going to wear. So you guys, I really hope my makeup don't be looking all tragic mess. Because I told you guys it's about to be date night for me and my hubby. And I want to look cute. Okay, you guys, I'm going to go in with my Benefit Bling Concealer. When I went to the dollar store, I could not find a concealer. This is in the shade number 9. I could not find a concealer that was in my shade range. And matter of fact, they didn't have a lot of makeup at my local Dollar General for my shade range. The L'Oreal Infallible I purchased at a Walgreens a while back, but I was going into the dollar store because it's closest to my home to pick up some things, and I saw that palette and I said it would be nice to do a full face of makeup. But I really don't live in a urban area. It's more of a, I guess, a suburban area, and it's really like not too many people that's my shade tone that lives in the area. So I guess like as far as like perms or, you know, hair care products, for me, they carry some, but it's a very limited amount, because I guess they might sit on the shelves and buy them if there's no people of color in the area. And so sometimes they carry them. I guess they just get sold out, but I couldn't find any concealers that was my shade, which was disappointing, but you know, we'll rock with it. Okay, you guys, to set up under my eyes, I purchased the Airspun loose face powder. This says this is the original formula, and so I don't know if this works for my skin tone or not. This is actually my first time using this product, and I know so many people rave about it, and I've heard somebody say they like this more than they like the Laura Mercier, and I absolutely love the Laura Mercier. So we're about to see what the hype is. You guys want to see it? If you haven't purchased it, then oof, you don't know what it looks like. Can you kind of see it? My camera wants to focus wherever I am, so you can kind of see it. I'm going to take this and do it. It does look pink though. It does have some fragrance to it. Now I don't know if this have talc in it or not. I hope it doesn't. Oh, talc is the first ingredient in this. Get this crap on my face. Because talc is the first ingredient, and this, I do not recommend anyone purchase this product. Talc is really bad, and it's especially bad for us women. So yeah, and this has a lot of fragrance in it. I mean, it's going on fine, but you know, I should have read it before I purchased it. But you know, we women do anything for beauty. I'm gonna do some more stuff, and I will be back. Okay guys, I am back with my final look. How do you guys like it? Okay, so let me give you my thoughts on these products, and then I got some more stuff to tell you after I give you my thoughts. Don't tune off, okay? Don't tune off. So the first product I used was this Flawless Putty Primer, and this is my third time using it. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, it definitely emphasized textures. I can see pores. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I can definitely see pores and textures in my face, and this is the third time I've used this primer, and I'm not a fan of it, and I'm over it. So there's no need for me to use this product no more. It's not for me. But hey, if you have this product and you love this product, that's fine, keep using it. I'm just saying that this product for my skin, this doesn't work for my skin. Now you may have a different type of skin that I have, and this may be perfect for your skin, but for my skin, this doesn't do it for me. Okay, so the second product that we used was the nude from LA Colors, which was a $3 palette that I purchased from my local Dollar General. I want to say, like, I was really shocked when I used this palette, because like the pigment was there, and you can actually see the shadows. Now I don't know how this will wear if I wear it throughout the day, but honestly, the colors were there. You can tell that this wasn't a high-end palette. Now my main thing be about pigment, but these shadows were not as smooth as you would get into like a higher end palette. They wasn't as smooth, and that's pretty much it. They wasn't as smooth to work with, but the pigment was there. They wasn't extremely tough to work with, because I've had some shadows for some other companies, like they were extremely hard to work with. They weren't extremely hard to work with because they were pigmented. So they were very pigmented and they were very easy to use. And I do think that for the value, like, this is a great palette for the value. Okay, so let me tell you about the Airspun. I'm gonna come back. I got some more stuff to tell you, so do not leave. Okay, so as far as this Airspun loose powder, it was pink. It made my face look pink and white. This is not for my skin tone. So my melanated girls, this is not for us unless there's a deeper shade out there. Other than that, it was just real powdery. I didn't really care for it too much. It just made this like this white cast all over my face, and I just did not care for that. Now let's go back into these ingredients, because I was doing my makeup and I was saying, oh man, I hope this Airspun doesn't have talc on it. And I look in the ingredients. The first ingredient in this product is talc. I don't know if you guys can see it, but the first ingredient in here is talc, which means there's a lot of talc in here. And then the same thing with the Nude by LA Colors. The second ingredient in here is talc. And talc is safe according to the FDA. But I'm going to give you some more information on talc, just to let you guys know about it. So it's the talc and the mica, and this has talc and mica. I don't know if the Airspun has the mica, because I didn't really take time to look at ingredients before I sat down, because I usually am not like an ingredient heavy type person, but I know to stay away from the talc. Is a very controversial ingredient. So it says the talc and mica used in some makeup and used in some powder makeup and bronzers can be a skin irritant. These mineral particles often have rough edges that can cause microscopic tears, which will aggravate sensitive skin. Make sure that you look at the labels. Many brands advertise they are talc or mica free, but they are not. Some of them advertise that they are, but just make sure you check the brands of your check the ingredients of your makeup. And I typically doesn't have to worry about it with my high-end products, you know what I mean. But as for this well, actually this Lovecraft, it has talc and mica in it. So I've used talc and mica. I need to start looking at all my products. So I've used talc and mica before, but just to let you guys know that this can be sensitive to your, this can be sensitive and it can be irritating to your skin. Make sure that you're aware of what you are putting on your face, and I need to do a better job of that as well. But since I've used talc and mica before and it hasn't irritated my face, because I love those palettes, I'm gonna keep the Nude LA Girls eyeshadow palette, because I actually love this for $3. This is an amazing palette. I mean, it's $3 and it performs, and I loved it. As for the Airspun, this is gonna be a no for me, because it doesn't match my color. It leaves this white cast on my face. I don't like it. It does not compare to Laura Mercier, but that's just my personal opinion. If it works for you, that's great. Continue to use it, but for my skin tone, this doesn't work. The same thing with the e.l.f. With my skin tone, this does not work. The Laura Mercier 24-hour Pro Matte foundation, I love this foundation, but the only drawback is this is after about 4 or 5 hours on my skin, this foundation starts to like this, like it gets oily. It just breaks down. It's just not good. But I hope you guys have enjoyed this. But yeah, you know. Hey, before you go, make sure you hit the subscribe button.